Good afternoon, world. Working on my 2016 Kawasaki Concours 14. Today on the headlight assembly, replacing these two bulbs here. I don't know what you would call them, daytime running lights, locator beams with LED. Got one in so far. But the thing I wanted to show you today, or the tip I wanted to give you today, is mirrors. Use the wife, use the girlfriends, use one in the shop. And what I did here today is you have to get to the back of the headlight assembly under here. There is a plate that sets up underneath here, held in 4 locations with these center punch tabs. You punch the center, pushes the rod up, reducing the swell. Cosmetic piece. You just pop it out, pull the panel out. Boom, you're in. The ones in the rear are like back here. Again, with the mirror, set your angle, go in there, do your work, in and out. Instead of trying to pop your head in there, sit upside down, make yourself look like a fool. Work smarter, not harder. I hope this tip helps, and I'll display a little video for you for before and after application of LEDs. But here in a week or two, I'm going to replace the headlights with xkglow.com LEDs, which on this are H4 headlights, bulb size, and then these are T10 bulb size, these little locator beams down here. But I'll give you a little before and after. This fob, you got to be right next to the bike in order to turn it on. But the LED is so bright, it's distorting the video. But like I say, just a little before and after. But hopefully this video helps, and y'all get to Friday soon enough. Have a great day, have fun, be safe, love and take care of one another.